Celebrated at the peak of the autumn equinox, the first night of fall drapes the world in cooler air and earlier sunsets, as many of us pause to admire the beauty of changing crimson leaves, misty evenings, and the hush of summer's end. Yet beneath this natural poetry lies a quieter truth. The timing of our seasons is shifting. Researchers have documented how the onset of autumn is arriving later in some regions, while in others, fall-like conditions are starting sooner, disrupting plant cycles and wildlife behaviour. These shifts aren't just charming quirks of nature, they're signs of a planet in flux. Climate change is accelerating phenological changes, meaning the natural cues that signal the start of fall, like temperature and daylight, are becoming less predictable. In some areas, fall foliage is now peaking later, or with less vibrancy due to stress from warming temperatures and prolonged droughts. These irregularities matter. For instance, earlier autumns can lead to mismatches in ecosystems. Migrating birds may arrive after the peak of berry season, or animals may struggle with shifts in food availability. Even agriculture is affected, as harvest timelines blur and pests behave differently. These changes in seasonal rhythms are being recognised globally as sensitive indicators of climate trends. The loss of reliable seasonal timing threatens not just beauty, but balance. To cope with these shifting seasonal patterns, individuals and communities can take practical steps to adapt and mitigate further impact. Supporting urban greening efforts like planting trees and creating green corridors helps regulate local temperatures and stabilise ecosystems disrupted by climate change. On a personal level, tracking seasonal changes through citizen science platforms like Nature's Notebook empowers people to contribute real-time data that helps scientists monitor climate effects more precisely. Whether by advocating for climate policies or simply being more mindful of your local environment, everyone plays a part in preserving the balance that seasons like fall once reliably offered. As we step into fall tonight, it's not just about enjoying a cozy sweater or a warm drink, it's about listening to what the season is telling us. The changing calendar of nature is a climate story unfolding around us, one that deserves our attention and action. Let the first night of fall be not only a moment of reflection, but a reminder to protect the patterns we've always taken for granted.